Namaskars to you all. At the outset, I wish to thank Gandhi King Foundation for this opportunity of speaking on the theme Nai Talim, Understanding Gandhian Education. Few confessions before the presentation starts. My interest in Gandhiji is due to my interest in Nai Talim method of learning. Being a professor, it is natural that learning methods are important and central to me. Hence, I picked it up. Let me claim that I am practicing Nai Talim. I practice Nai Talim in my own way. Others might not agree with the way I practice Nai Talim. It is fine. What I speak here is my practice of Nai Talim. Focus of the session will be on practicing of Nai Talim, not much on intellectual discussion on what the concept is. The session is tilted more towards Nai Talim and higher education, value creation, entrepreneurship, and thrust for startups and innovation. Gandhiji vision was education to all. Sabko Siksha. Idea was everybody, irrespective of their intelligence, parental background, place of birth, financial condition, is educated. Is this the road to Sarvodaya? Is this the key to Ramarajya? Is this path to Samasamaj? Might be. This was the idea of Gandhiji. Current education model is not only inefficient but expensive and also exclusive. Very few get education. Those who get educated are ill-educated. Most of the educated are not job worthy. There is no hope. There is no hope that educated will be capable to give jobs to others. At best, they are good job mongers. Academics emerged as real hurdle in the process of people getting educated. So unfortunate. Especially 20th century academics have emerged as hurdle. Nobody else can be blamed for keeping 1/6 of mankind to be uneducated, despite the availability of best technologies like internet. Further, current practice of education is the main contributor for many social evils. Unemployment, migrant labor, extreme poverty, and concentration of wealth and global warming. Nai Talim model of education is purely a system, a method of education independent of great teachers, intelligent students, and good infrastructure, etc. It is the way of imparting education, way of imparting education that makes the magic. The stress is on the way, the method, the path, the system of education. There is need to understand this point very clearly. It is apt to remind that Gandhiji's stress was always on path, path and path. Let me share how my story is related to Nai Talim learning model. I came from very poor and rural background. I am the first generation educated person in my khandan. Unlike many, despite my poor background and rural origins, I could get educated and well settled as a professor in a reputed national institution. Let me make it clear that but for the government support in the form of scholarships and hostel facilities, I would not have been educated. I am one of the beneficiaries of midday meals and free powder milk given to school kids around 1970s. An important thing, despite free education by government, many of my brethren have not studied like me. Reason is the government support is necessary but not sufficient for somebody to continue their studies. I was exactly of this category student. I was needing support in addition to the regular government scholarship and hostel facilities so as to meet my urgent and serious family obligations. It is rare to get such relief to most students. Hence, they don't continue their studies. Despite so many doses and repeated doses of government support for free education, there is no guarantee of learning effectiveness. Further, let us not daydream that it will be almost impossible to any government to extend such an expensive education to all. Yes, it is almost impractical. My family was from a remote village working as tailors for everyday survival. At very young age, I learned tailoring. All through my studies, I funded my education working as a student tailor. Please note, it was the village tailoring which is helping you now to listen to me. I consider my education as very dignified one. Reason is tailoring helped me to stand on my own legs. But let me also say the journey was painful and was also not really aesthetic, which can be avoided. Later in my life, when I came across Nai Talim model of learning, I realized an alternate effective learning model which can make learning more dignified, potential, realizing aesthetic and pleasurable and moralistic. I am quite disappointed of my commerce education. Reason is commerce education was of no use to me when I was in need of help. In reality, my commerce education was moved spectator watching my hardships working as a student tailor. Reflecting back, I feel there was no reason why my commerce learning cannot be designed to pay for its own survival. Achieving 3M, money, marks, and also morality all concurrently surely will be aesthetic way of learning. My learning must pay for my learning is my fundamental assumption. How come a commerce student was made so meek, so weak, even for day-to-day survival, needs the help of a tailor student? At the cost of sounding harsh, I blame the commerce educator for losing the best opportunities for creating a self-reliant learning. Why not commerce is taught in commercial way? What's wrong to teach that way? Is it a crime to learn commerce in commercial way? How come a commerce graduate who is taught in non-commercial way can turn out to be an effective commerce graduate? Impossible. Impossible, I feel. Let me share how I became a Naithalin professor. I often use props as part of my classroom teaching. One day, it struck me. Why not I ask students to sell props in the mandi and learn and earn? I implemented the idea as part of teaching MBA courses. Students enjoyed it. The program was a big hit. People started seeing it as innovative learning model. Over the years, the Mandi program took many formats: Shanti Mandi, Mahamandi, Kanti Mandi, etc. and etc. Mandi is being done for the last 15 years or so. Thousands of students are trained this way. The method bagged many awards. MBA students were assigned to sell copies of the book Gandhiji Autobiography. Sell, earn, learn was the task. Book copies were sourced from Somaya Kaka of Bombay Sarvodaya Mandal on credit basis. Students sold the copies in Mumbai streets, settled the accounts. A vernacular video made of their learnings submitted as an assignment relating to the subjects like business communication, sales skills, market opportunities, business strategy, business leadership, operations planning, economics, innovation, etc. and etc. Students earned money and also earned marks as part of their curricular learning. So far, 5 lakh book copies were sold by 30,000 MBA students. Students got commission of rupees 10 for every book copy that they sold. For students, Mumbai Mandi got transformed into New Learning College. Mumbai streets turned into their new classrooms. Customers in the Mandi became their new mentors. As students start sharing their Mandi experiments, it is a turn of the professors to learn from their students. This program turned out to be a new way to recast Naithalin for higher education students. The slogan is like this: पढ़ाई का खर्चा पढ़ाई में, पढ़ाई से पढ़ाई के लिए कमाना. చదువు ఖర్చు చదువులోనే, చదువుతోనే, చదువుతూనే తీయాలి, తీయాలి, తీయాలి. शिक्षणाचा खर्च शिक्षणामध्ये, शिक्षणातून ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕರಿತಾ ಕಮವಾ. ಇಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಖರ್ಚನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದೇ ಸಂಪಾದಿಸಬೇಕು. Earn the learning experiences in learning, through learning, and for learning. Earn the learning expenses in learning, through learning and for learning. Why and how Monday program is recasting of Naitali model of learning. Naitali model of learning has 4 important features. 1. Self-support. 2. Holistic learning. 3. Practical learning. 4. Mother tongue. Clear outcome of Monday learning is self-support. Students on their own earned real-time financial benefit through Gandhi book selling experiment. Of course, the financial benefit they realized is tiny and one-time affair. However, it achieved important outcome, that is self-support. Monday method of learning has gone beyond self-support, helped in realizing many other Gandhian ideals like Swayata, Swamyata, Swarajya, Swayam, Swatantrata. I'll repeat. Swayata, autonomous. Swamyata, ownership. Swarajya, self-rule. Swayam, self-determination. Swatantrata, independence and one's own way, etc. In Gandhi book selling experiment, students need to engage their whole body, head, hand, heart, legs, every part of their self, as they talk to the customers in the market and convince them. This is a way to engage students holistically. Further, Gandhi book selling program also needs the students continuously practice various curriculum information they are imparted relating to subjects like communication, selling, pricing, negotiation, understanding others, including understanding oneself. Students also made use of their vernacular language by submitting their learning assignments as vernacular videos made in their mother tongue. Monday method of learning is extended to learning many other subjects like engineering, social sciences, including pure sciences. Takeaways at the end. Education, to be universal, must therefore be made free. Education itself neither free nor restricted. It has to be made free through a method. The focus is on the method. Focus is not on great teachers, intelligent students, and terrific infrastructure. Focus is not on who is teaching, who is learning, what is learned. The focus is on how, and how to learn. There is much more to share. You are invited to know more on how Naitali model of learning can be made useful to turn out students as best citizens. Do contact for more on this email ID. Thank you. Share the video, speak about the video, like the video. 1 by 12 Monday, sir. Thank you again. See you. Bye.